everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to launch a deployment run. If you would like to review the process for creating a deployment, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video, or in the video description down below. To launch a deployment run, head on over to Deployments under the Composites section of the main menu, and click the power symbol on the deployment's asset card, or click on the asset card and hit the launch button up here. On the base settings page, enter a name for the deployment run and, optionally, a description. Next, enter a username and password, which you will use for remote access. Make sure that you enter a strong, complex password that meets the requirements. If you are launching a Windows VM and need to set up a domain, enter a domain name in this field here. Next, configure your run options, which we will discuss in greater depth in another video. We do strongly recommend that you check the Retain Deployment on Error box. It's quite helpful for debugging. You will also have the option to change the system specifications or network interfaces for this specific run without changing the settings of the deployment itself. Next, enter any custom properties. Click Submit. If for whatever reason you would like to stop your run from deploying, simply hit the Cancel button in the upper right. Otherwise, give it some time to launch and complete its tests. You will also have the option of publishing this deployment run for consumption by Express users by hitting the Publish button up here. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for using Arcus.